Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Shantina here. So, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I have been on a serious hair growth, hair thickening journey since the beginning of the year. So, I have been taking collagen peptides and it has been doing wonders for my hair, for my nails, for my skin, for my gut health, for my joints. I can go on and on. That's for another video, which I did a couple of weeks ago. Go check that video out after you finish this video. So yeah, as you can see from the title of this video, I have decided to add rice water to my regimen. I know it is like a craze. It's like everybody is doing it. I know you guys probably saw hundreds of videos on it, like everyone, straight hair, perm hair, curly hair, kinky hair, wavy hair. I heard this stuff works for everyone, and I've seen so many videos about it, and I'm a believer from what I see. But you know what? You're just never too sure until you test it out yourself. So what I'm gonna do for you is test it out on my hair. Hoping it's not going to damage it. It shouldn't damage it because my hair loves protein, and rice water is filled with protein and amino acids. So I'm going to do this journey for 4 weeks, and I'm going to come back each week and show you how long my hair is getting, because the craze is that it's growing people hair like an inch a week, an inch a week. Your girl gotta jump on that craze and see if that's true. Again, if your hair is sensitive to protein, I advise you not do this weekly. I advise you just to do your regular protein treatment like you would normally do, maybe once a month or once every 6 weeks. I normally do mine once a month. But because it's rice water, it's natural, I'm going to make it myself. I'm going to show you in just a minute how I make it. But because of all those things, I'm going to do it every week. Okay? So like I said, I'm going to do this journey for 4 weeks. I started yesterday. I'll show you, I'm going to insert a clip and show you how I prepared the rice water the night before, 2 nights ago pretty much, and then I'm going to show you how I applied the rice water to my hair. And because it's protein, I'm going to do, once I finish with the challenge, I am going to just do this every other week with a very, very deep moisturizing deep conditioner that follows. And because I am so curious as to really if this really is the magic potion that is missing from everyone's hair care regimen, and it's growing your hair like an inch a week, I'm just curious. Is this stuff really working like it says it's working, or is it just a hype? Okay, first I start off by cleaning the rice. And this week I am going to use organic white rice. I pour about 1 cup of rice in a bowl. Then I fill the bowl up with water to get off any dirt. I swish it around until the water turns cloudy. Next I pour out the dirty rice water. Then I scoop the rice into a medium-sized mason jar. And then I fill it up with water. Then I put it in a cool, dry place for about 24 hours to make the rice water ferment. You can leave it in there for about 48 hours, but you do not want to leave it in there any longer than that. Alright, so my hair is already washed and detangled. And you can use any shampoo that you would like to use. I would suggest you use a moisturizing shampoo. I put the rice water in a water bottle. I also put about 4 drops of peppermint oil to mask the funky smell of the rice water. It wasn't too funky, but I did want to put some peppermint oil in there also to promote hair growth. I also like to make sure that I am getting the rice water on my scalp, so I like to give myself a nice scalp massage. Rice water is packed with amino acids, which is essential for your hair growth. So this week I let the rice water sit on my hair under the hot head, well, a plastic cap and my hot head for about an hour, and then I deep conditioned my hair for an hour. And you can use any conditioner that you like, well, any deep conditioner that you like, but again, I do suggest that you use a conditioner that does not have protein in it, and a conditioner that is very moisturizing, because again, rice water is protein. All right, so next week I am going to do both the rice water and the deep conditioner together, instead of doing the rice water for an hour and then turning around and doing the deep conditioner for an hour. So I'm going to see if there's a difference between. Okay, so there it is. That's how I prepared it. That's how I applied it to my hair. I'm going to do this each week for 4 weeks, like I said, and I'm going to come back each week with a video and measure the length of my hair. I'm going to use this shirt to measure the length of my hair each week. That's why I wanted to wear one that was striped, that I don't have to actually, use a measuring stick for numbers. I feel like I can get a more accurate if I show you like week by week, like side by side. So let's go ahead and start measuring it now. So this is my hair before the rice water actually have time to work. Even though I did it yesterday, I'm sure my hair didn't grow overnight like an inch, right? So this should be accurate. So let's start here. I'm about to pull the curl, stretch it out. Right there. And I think this side is longer. Or maybe not. No, it's a little bit longer. Okay, I can just do this. So I'm just going to do the measurement from the side. Well, that is it. So I really pretty much wanted to pop in and just let you guys know what I'm up to now. I'm still taking the collagen peptides with the vitamin C powder in my tea every night, but I wanted to boost it up a little bit and add the rice water. I'm going to take you guys on this journey with me each week. Fingers crossed that this stuff do not jack my hair up, because I have been on this journey for a while, but I don't think it's going to mess it up, because like I keep saying, my hair loves protein. So if you guys are interested in the rice water, going to do the rice water challenge, let me know below. Give me your tips, give me your insight, give me your do's and don'ts that you've heard, even the horror stories that you've heard about rice water. I haven't heard anything like horrible about rice water, so all I know is that it's supposed to be bringing people edges back, making people's hair shiny, longer and thicker. And I want to see what that is all about. Alright, so stay tuned for the next videos that is coming up about this rice water. I'm so excited to see what happens to my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Always remember to keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that may come your way. Keep God first, and all your wishes and your blessings will come to you in lightning speeds. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.